We are working on Bryan Hill TV, which is a student, right now it's bi-weekly, kind of like a magazine show. News, highlights, happenings around the building, very student driven. They decide what we want to write, what we need to focus on, brings in character, education, expectations of the building. So right now we're right in the middle, so we're trying to just kind of put it all together. So right now they are, and like I said, it's kind of like a news show, highlights, announcements, put it all together, and also some fun stuff. So
we are on JJ. We got a editing. I was the reporter, and you were the director. Yeah, the director. And we got to now edit our.
So let's practice. You gonna say this part. You gonna be like.